Lajana and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below, and if you're returning, hey! So as you guys can see, I'm giving you guys a tutorial on how I get these super cute curls and how I style them. So if you want to see how that turns out, make sure you keep on watching. So here I'm just showing you guys me sectioning off my hair. I'm grabbing a medium-sized piece. That's the key to getting these bigger curls. And when I grab the curling iron, I'm going to make sure the clip is facing towards the camera, and I'm going to turn and clip at the same time away from my face. And if you guys aren't getting this, it's totally fine. I'm going to show you guys a couple more times in this video, but I promise you it gets a lot easier once you get the hang of it. So with this technique, that's the type of curl that you get. I'm showing you guys again. So I'm taking the clip, it's facing the camera. You always want to turn it away from your face so that you get the right shape of curls. So I'm turning it away from my face, and as I'm pulling the hair through, I'm continuing to twist it and make sure that all the hair gets to touch the barrel. I also make sure to leave it for just a couple of seconds to make sure that the hair at the top is still getting touched by the heat. I'm going to show you guys one more time. The barrel is facing me. I'm turning away from my face, clicking and pulling through at the same time till I get to the very end of the hair, and then I just let it sit there for a second, and then I release it, and you have a beautiful curl. So now I'm just going to finish the rest off of camera. Mostly I'm going to fast forward through a lot of it, but I'm going to show you guys again me curling away from my face, because now that I'm on the other side of my head, I am going the opposite direction. So I just want to make sure you guys note that you always want to pull it away from your face when you're curling on either side of your head. Alright guys, so once you're done, you want to shake your hair. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys here in this clip. But I'm just going to flip my head over and shake my head. And once you shake your head, look number 1 is complete. On to look number 2. This one is just super simple and cute. I'm just showing you guys that I am pulling my hair half up and leaving the rest down. If you want to know how I part my hair, I usually use my ear as a reference. So yeah, that's look number 2. Last but not least, this is a super cute twist on the last hairstyle we just did. So basically the instructions are the same, but you want to pull down 2 pieces this time. So once you get that done, the look is complete. The focus face is real. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Make sure you also tag me if you try any of these hairstyles or you curl your hair. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!